Hi, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
I'm excited to bring you along with me on today's adventure. Today, we're heading to Fakarava Beach in French Polynesia. This hidden gem is located in the heart of the South Pacific and boasts crystal clear waters, pristine white sand, and a tranquil atmosphere that will leave you feeling rejuvenated. Before we start our walking tour, I want to ask you to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me a lot in creating more content like this for you.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts of my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
Now let's get started. As soon as we arrive at Fakarava Beach, we're greeted with a breathtaking view of the lagoon. The water is so clear that you can see all the way to the bottom. The colors of the water are an incredible blend of turquoise, green, and blue, creating a stunning visual experience. We take a few moments to appreciate the scenery before beginning our walk along the beach. The sand is incredibly soft and warm, and the sound of the waves crashing on the shore is soothing. As we walk along the beach, we encounter some of the most stunning coral reefs you will ever see. The variety of coral is simply amazing, with vibrant colors and unique shapes. The marine life here is abundant, making it a perfect spot for snorkeling and scuba diving. As we continue our walk, we come across some of the local fishermen casting their nets in the lagoon. They are more than happy to talk to us and share their fishing techniques. I hope you enjoy coming along with me on this journey. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you thought of the video. Also, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on my upcoming travel adventures.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!